Hello my dear children, welcome back again to writing session of your e-learning class, and I know you all are studying properly and sitting and doing your homework. Yes, you are doing it very neatly and nicely, and I hope you all will continue doing that. So let's move ahead, and today we are going to learn how to write letters H and K, cursive small h and k. Today we are going to write. So first we will see H for horse. You all have learnt in your nursery class. H for horse. You can see here two horses. Okay, horse is a very fast running animal. A horse runs very fast. Then H for house. Where do we live? Yes, we live in a house. So H for house. Next is H for hat. We wear a hat on our head. So H for hat. Now see here, this is the formation how you have to write H. This is cursive capital H, cursive small h. Okay, so you have to follow cursive small h, how it writes like this. Okay, then now we will learn how to write cursive small h. You have to practice and write neatly in your 4-line book. Which book you have to write? In which book you have to write? Yes, you have to write in your cursive small notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. So first we will see how to write in a plain page. So let's practice. So starting from down, take up, then again take your pencil down, then again up, down, and like this slight turn. Now again we will see down, up, down, then up, and then down, and then slight turn. This is cursive small h. Again we will see down to up you have to take, then again down, up, and from here you have to come down and slight turn. Okay, you have to be careful in writing and practice more and more. Up, down, then again up, and then slight turn. And this is the correct method to write cursive small h, but this is the wrong method. Okay, and this is the wrong method, and this method is also wrong. Okay, so which is the correct way to write cursive small h? This, like this. Okay, then you write like this, then you lift your pencil, do like this. This is the wrong method. Okay, you have to follow this method. Starting from here, down, go up, up, then again come down, then up, down, like slight turn. Now in your 4-line book you have to follow the way how I am teaching. Okay, this is your 4-line book page. Here red line, 2 blue lines, and 1 again red line. So you have to be careful in writing. This is the red line margin from this side, right side you have to start writing. Okay, write in neat and clean handwriting. Starting from the blue line down, go up, then again come down, then till the blue line up, and then like this. Again we learn starting from down blue line, up red line, down line down, then again up blue line, then turn. Again starting from this down blue line, go up till the red line, then again down to the blue line, up blue line, then again down and slight turn. Again we'll see up to the red line, down to blue line, up blue line, then turn. Okay, and this is the way you have to write. Your writing should not go out of the blue line. See, like this you don't have to write. This is the wrong method. Okay, you have to follow this method, and without lifting your pencil you have to write cursive small h. Now the next letter we will learn K. K for kite. What you can see here? Kite. Kites flying in the sky. So K for kite. And K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is a animal. K for kangaroo. Then next is K for king. K for king. And this is the method you have to follow. Cursive, this is cursive capital K, this is cursive small k. You have to follow the method of cursive small k. This is the way you have to learn to write. Down, up, then again down, then loop and then turn. Okay. Now first we will practice how to write cursive small k. Okay, so starting from down, go up, then again down, up, turn, and like this you have to make K. You have to learn like this, down to up, then again up, then down, up, circle, then down, slight turn. Cursive small k. Again we will learn, see carefully children, from down to up, then again down, up, circle, and then turn. Cursive small k. And see, this is the wrong method. You don't have to lift your pencil. Without lifting your pencil, you have to write cursive small k. Okay, again we'll see up, down, turn, circle, then k. Okay, so you have to start from down here. Take your pencil up, down, then again up, turn, circle, then come down and turn. Okay, cursive capital K. Like this you have to follow. Now in your 4-line book, see how you have to write. You have to follow how Miss is writing. This is the red margin, and from the right side you have to start writing from this side. Okay. then starting from down blue line, go up till the red line, then again touch the down blue line, again go up, then turn. Cursive small k. Follow children this method. Okay, your writing should not go out of the blue line. Again starting from this down blue line, go up till red line, then again down till the blue line, again to the blue line up, then down, slight turn. Cursive small k. Again we will practice down from this blue line, up red line, down blue line, up blue line, and then slight turn. Cursive small k. You have to say and write in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, like this. Your writing should not go out of the blue line like this. This is the wrong method. Okay, your writing should be like this, how Miss has written. And today children, we will learn to join two letters. In previous class we learnt V and W. I hope you all have learned to write V and W, and today we will learn to join V and W. So how you have to do? This V, first write V and join W with V like this. Okay, between the blue lines only you have to write. We already learnt to write V and W. So like this you have to join V and W. So without lifting your pencil, you have to join V, cursive small v, and W. Okay, V, W, and W join with V, W, V, V, W, V, W, W, V, W, V. Like this you have to join and write. And today we will also learn to join S and V. What we will join? S and V. Alphabets S and V. You have already learned to write S and V. So now today you all have to learn to join S and V. Okay, S and V. Cursive small S, V. Like this you have to join and write cursive small s and cursive small v. Children, today we learnt cursive small h and k and joining of SV and VW. So I hope you all understood, and I hope you all will write in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Thank you and have a good day, children.